Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to touch on Bitcoin. And also, you can earn free tokens in Coinbase as well. Before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming videos. That could be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon. And of course, for my Patreon member, you can check out my videos, indicator the hertz of FOMO into the stock market, and all this thing. You can check it out in my Patreon group. Let's talk about Bitcoin quickly. So GreyScale Bitcoin Trust, they basically buy over 1.5 times total Bitcoin mined since halving. So between May 12 and May 18, they basically GreyScale Bitcoin Trust, they bought basically over 12,000 Bitcoin. This is accounting about over 112 million US dollars. And this is from the SEC filing. Also on May 19 to May 26, they bought about over 6,800 Bitcoin. And this is worth about 65 million US dollars. And the thing is, don't forget, GreyScale Bitcoin Trust, they bought over 18,000 Bitcoin since the halving. But after the halving, since the only 12,033.7 Bitcoin have been mined since the halving. So they basically bought all the Bitcoin after they mine and even over. So that is insane. And in terms of their investment, in weekly investment, they increased from 3.2 million in the a substantial increase from the 3.2 million in the first quarter of the last year. And so you can see this is the product that is available in OTC. You have GBTC, you have GreyScale Bitcoin Trust GBTC, GreyScale Ethereum Trust, Ethereum ETHE, and GreyScale Ethereum Classic Trust ETCG, and you have GreyScale Digital Large Cap Fund GDLC. Basically, probably those large cap digital currency, probably the top 10 or top 50. And GreyScale investment cryptocurrency product as of May 28, Bitcoin Trust is basically they have Bitcoin Trust, Bitcoin Cash Trust, Ethereum Trust, Ethereum Classic Trust, and this is a Horizon Trust. I don't know what is in there. Litecoin Trust, Stellar Lumen, and then XRP, Zcash, and as well as Digital Large Cap Fund. So all this in here. So Litecoin is part of it, XRP as well as Zcash, along with Zcash as well. So the thing is, this is for institutional investor. It's easier for them. They don't have to do the custodial services. The thing is, if you buy the token, you have to put it in a wallet. So the institutional investor, they don't want to do those custodial service. They just want to buy their OTC. I mean, you can buy this through the OTC basically. So you can buy this through OTC, and so this is cater for the institutional investor basically. So I think right now, unfortunately, still the Bitcoin is still have direct relationship with the stock market. So it hasn't decoupling, unlike the commodity gold and silver. So whatever the stock market go up, they will go up. Whatever the stock market go down is going to go down. And they make us. I think somebody made a comment say Wall Street wants Bitcoin, and they don't care what Goldman Sachs has to say. On the surface, they said Bitcoin is a fraud. Remember JP Morgan, they're saying that this is a fraud. I mean, this is a scam or whatever. And behind the scene, of course, they bought a lot of cryptocurrency. This is what they do. And in terms of Coinbase, you can earn up to $161 worth of crypto. So you can earn $9 compound, Ultra, Tech Pesos, and EOS. Basically, you just go and watch a whole bunch of videos. Watch a whole bunch of videos and answer some questions, and then you can earn some token. You have DAI tokens, Stellar Lumen. Some of them are available depending on whether you already claim it. If you claim it before, you probably don't get it. So they have compound as well. So let me know what you think about this. I don't like Coinbase per se, but the thing is, this is free token. So who cares? And Coinbase, they have a Coinbase Analytics. They basically collect your data. They probably will sell it to the third party. I don't like Coinbase at all. And then you go through KYC using Coinbase. But while Coinbase is one of the largest exchange, and then you have Gemini, you have Kraken, so you don't have much choice. And hopefully in the future we have more decentralized exchange, right? And of course you can use IDEX, but then the thing is, if you use fiat to crypto gateway, there's not much choices you have. But if you have crypto to crypto, you have tons and tons of choices you can do. You can have a lot of decentralized exchange. But crypto to fiat is still, I think it's still only a handful of a few handful of exchange like Huobi and all this, and then you have to go through the KYC, unfortunately. Unless you buy the Bitcoin from somebody else, you give them cash, right? Otherwise, your identity is going to reveal regardless. So let me know what you think about GreyScale. Buy a whole bunch of Bitcoin, and comment below. I would love to hear from you. And are you going to go to Coinbase and get some free cryptos? And if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, make sure you subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out the upcoming videos that could be time sensitive, because I token swap, staking reward, all this could be time sensitive. And also share the videos as well. Smash the like if you find this video helpful. And also you can follow me in Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon as well. For more sensitive information, I usually talk about in Patreon. A lot of things, for example, right now, there's so much things going on. You have coronavirus, you have the protests, you have the so many crazy stuff, the autonomous zone in Seattle, all this crazy stuff around. And I can't talk about that in the mainstream, in the YouTube channel, because I may potentially get banned. So a lot of those sensitive information, I put it in Patreon, and I only touch on the subject, but in detail I won't even talk about it, because right now is a very, very crazy times. I feel like right now our freedom of speech is getting jeopardized by one of the few big social media company like Facebook, Google, YouTube, all this. They just control what you want to say, basically, unfortunately. And this is so unfortunate. We're in the 20th century, and yet we cannot say things freely. And of course, political correctness is very important at this time right now, right? Isn't it? If you say something on either side, and you're going to get in trouble. So I'm not going to talk about that in YouTube. So so comment below what do you think about all this. I'd love to hear from you. Remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe. I'm not your financial advisor. We're investing in cryptocurrency, commodity, and stock market can have inherent business of due diligence. I'm not your healthcare provider. If you have any questions or concerns about coronavirus, you should contact your doctor. This information is for informational and entertainment purposes, not a financial advice, not a health advice. Consult your doctor, consult your health, consult your investment advisor. Peace out.